What if I told you the perfect museum heist was solved by one tiny speck of glass? Paris, 1911. The Louvre wakes up and the Mona Lisa is gone. Empty hooks on the wall, no ransom note, no smashed locks. For 2 years, detectives chase ghosts. They interrogate staff, question artists, even arrest Pablo Picasso for handling other stolen statues. The thief, Vincenzo Peruggia, is not a criminal mastermind. He is an Italian handyman. He once installed the Mona Lisa's protective glass. One quiet Monday, he walks in wearing a worker's smock, lifts the painting off its pegs, carries it to a stairwell, removes the frame and glass, hides the canvas under his coat, then simply walks out with the crowd. France panics. Newspapers scream about national honor. 2 years later, a Florence art dealer receives a letter. Police set a sting. They authenticate the painting by microscopic pigment tests. And a sliver of broken glass from the old frame, still at the Louvre. The Mona Lisa returns to Paris on a warship, greeted by crowds. Its theft makes it the most famous painting on Earth. What if the real vulnerability is the quiet worker who already has the key?